Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the board size and wall material so anchors match load. This matters because drywall and masonry need different fasteners. Once done, switch off nearby power and verify with a non-contact tester to avoid shocks. Next, measure desired height and mark stud centers or anchor points with a level. Do this precisely because misaligned holes force rework. You'll use these marks as the single truth for drilling and mounting, so take a breath and double-check. You now drill pilot holes to the anchor depth using the correct bit. This ensures anchors seat properly and carry the load. Then push or hammer anchors flush with the wall because a raised anchor reduces holding strength. Once anchors are secure, pre-fit the extension board, route cables behind it or through knockout slots, and fasten screws hand-tight first. Make sure to tighten evenly in a crisscross pattern so the board sits flat. If you over-torque, you'll crack plastic or strip anchors. You finish by confirming the board is level and feels solid. Press around sockets to check for movement because loose fittings lead to wear and arcing. Once satisfied, restore nearby power and test each outlet with a lamp or receptacle tester to confirm continuity and grounding. If you encounter wobble or stripped anchors, stop and switch to larger toggle or molly anchors, or add a wood blocking behind the drywall to spread load. This fix prevents recurring loosening and improves long-term safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.